Makita impact driver. This is the brushless one. I'm not even sure the model of it. It's a 152 maybe. She's seen better days. Switches a wee bit all over the place. Made in a new switch as well. That's holding the butt, no problem. Right, we'll get under here. Right, she's definitely seen better days. Broke the housing clean in half. Must have got a drop. So we need a new housing and a new switch. She's obviously done a fair bit of work. Can't even make out the year on it anymore. But there's a brushless motor. You can change the switch on them, so it's not a problem. I'm hoping I have a new housing for it. There we go. As well on this model. Controller. Sorry. That board and the controller's all one piece. That's the actual PCB board up here. So if they go, you'll be buying a new one anyway. Switch you can change, retainer you can change, a rotor, and even the field. So you can unbolt this field here. Take off them screws underneath that PCB board. Again, 3 wee screws off. That wee PCB board comes off. And there's 3 screws then holding them wires on. So you can change that stator as well. Give us a wee clean. On a clamshell. On a switch. Yeah, it's got the wee tag on it as well, so I'll keep it together. We spring clip there, the back of that circlip, or that spade, to push that back in order to disconnect. Same in that one. Don't get your polarity mixed up either. Everything else is just plug and play. Get your wiring in place first. Up over the top, down along with the rest. You can put these on crooked, or just give it a wee spin. Now you put it onto the rotor to make sure it's running through. Make sure you're all correct. You have no knock the wires coming. You can see that's not sitting down right, because that bearing should be down halfway, and it's not. That's better. Lines up nice, no gaps. Ready to go. That should be it. Simple as that. Nice consistent speed control. Spot on. One Makita. It's actually a DTD153 repaired. Brushless Makita impactor. A broken housing, obviously from a drop or something. Broken housing and a switch. And enough we repair. For €60, well worth it.